People are oblivious to it because they make up their own excuses in their head. And as everybody who's listening to this moral obligation, you know somebody in the back of your head that's going through something. I want you to text them today. I want you to reach out today. I don't care if you don't like them, if you don't like spending time with them. These people need your help. Who are you to say that they don't need any help right now? And how arrogant it is for somebody to say, I just don't want to spend time with them. I don't really care about what they're going through. Don't be that person. I want you to reach out to somebody today, because when I hear people like this, I want to know that they're okay. I want to know that they have practiced self-worth. I want to know that they're good enough. And it's something that is really sad to me that these people are going through, is because they are special people. Everybody is born with this special ability inside them. Everybody is. So if you're watching this, if you're lonely, if you're sad, understand your self-worth. And if you're going to get to that point where you're ready to heal, because it is going to take time, if you are ready to heal, it's almost as if you got like a gunshot to your soul, like a shotgun shot by the size of your palm of your hand on your heart. What I need you to do is I need you to start rebuilding that. And sadly, the weird way that this world works is that the only way you're going to be able to do that is if you're alone. If you practice your own self-love. So I want you to be able to put the phone away. I want you to look yourself in the mirror, or maybe even go outside, be in nature. And I want you to start telling yourself that you're good enough. I want you to practice positive affirmations. I want you to start reading the right books, the self-help books. I want you to start implementing positivity in your life. I want you to start listening to positive music in your life. I want you to start watching positive movies, things that make you laugh, things that are funny. And I want you to get to that point where now you can be self-sufficient. Because in this world, it's crazy that in order to find happiness, you have to be self-sufficient. But if that's the point where we need to get to as a society, okay. If this is the thing that's going to help you, okay. What you need to do at that point is then you need to find a community in real life, not the internet. And I want you to find either volunteering, helping the homeless, planting trees, working for a local library, volunteering at a school, being a tutor. I want you to get out. And I want you to help people for no money at all. Because once you start to align yourself with people who are working not for a dime, they're working it because of the passion of what they do, they will find comfort in you doing that. They will find comfort in you even showing up and sacrificing your time to help other people. And then I want you to put yourself out there, which is a scary thing. I'm not saying that it's not for somebody who's dealing with this, but that only comes from the beginning of building yourself up. And I want you to put yourself out there. And I want you to ask, hey, do you want to hang out? And I don't want you to walk into that room like you're a broken piece of glass. I want you to become confident, but you have to work on yourself. And it's going to take days, weeks, months, maybe. And I want you to put yourself out there. And I'm telling you, once you put yourself out there, you're going to get people. Yes, you're going to get no's, but you're going to get yeses. And those yeses that you do get, I want you to be the best version of yourself that you can be. Because I believe in you. The world might not, your friends might not, this universe you might think don't believe in you, but I do. And that one person is me. And what I want you to also think about is that there are more people, if you can grow through this circumstance, that need your help because they're in this exact same situation. So if you can grow from it, if you can heal from it, then you can be that beacon of hope. But until you get to that point, that's the only way you're going to be able to heal through this. I hope you can get through it. And that was it for my little rant. But I hope that you guys are doing good. If you want to join the Discord, you're more than welcome. You can. I love y'all, and I hope you guys are doing well. And I'll see you on the next episode.